about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I decided this year I'm going to share all my hauls with you guys. So typically it'll probably be one video of the hauls per week. Most frequently, it'll usually be grocery. But of course, there will be a little bit of extras in between here and there. So we just came home, we did a little bit of shopping today. I do need to look at my receipts and add everything up, but I'm pretty sure we spent just around $50. So this is everything that we bought. We just did some browsing around. We went to Ollie's, Big Lots, and then also a local grocery store. This makes for very easy meals. We grabbed some white chicken breast. We also grabbed a few cans of soup. My husband likes having these every so often, and it really does save, you know, when his coworkers want to order out food, my husband can have some extras here and there. Sometimes he'll take the cans to work, and then he has a little personal sized crock pot that he keeps at work. I'm not sure how these ended up in the cart. I think my son grabbed the Captain Crunch. My husband, you told him it was okay, right?
Yes.
And then one of them grabbed the popcorn.
I just grabbed it because I wanted it.
Because you wanted it. Kids enjoy popcorn too, so that is fine. My son's birthday is coming up, and I don't know, I just saw these and I thought they looked really good. My children like mango flavor, and so I think on my son's birthday I'm going to give these to the kids as a little treat. We found some maple syrup. This was just $3.49, an amazing price, especially for organic. Some onion powder, some random things, lime juice, Jiffy cornbread. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and putting them in the freezer. And so this is for that. The bread is for that. These were 89 cents a loaf. We are just about out of stevia. So we found this one at Big Lots, but a great deal for 200 packets. I know at, for example, Walmart, it's $2 something for 80 packets. So that was a great deal. This here looks delicious. Some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil, which we absolutely need olive oil. We are all out. This was just $5.99. I also found this family calendar, and I'm going to use this. I haven't yet decided, but I'm kind of thinking I'm going to use this for my YouTube related stuff this year. That was just $1.99. Great deal. And then we also grabbed some toothpaste, some zipper sandwich bags, gallon-sized freezer bags, and some conditioner. So that is everything that we bought. I realized I didn't say what I bought from where, but I will put that down in the description box if you're interested in a certain product. I'll make sure that I write what I bought from Ollie's, Big Lots, and then this was from the other grocery store. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.